My name is Jan Feyerabend. We are located in Schleswig-Holstein in the district of Plön, close to the Baltic Sea. 3 generations of my family live on the farm. There are my parents, and I live in the farmhouse with my family. My brother lives 2 houses along, so he's always nearby and always available. The farm has arable land as well as grassland fields, which are used to harvest forage for fattening the farm's own livestock. We have always done contract work in addition to operating our farm, and we opened this up as an extra business in 2012 because it was getting bigger and bigger. I'm Lars Feyerabend. I'm Jan's brother, and we run the contracting company here together. We are here in the middle of Schleswig-Holstein in a region known as Holstein, Switzerland, where we have some quite hilly terrain as well as some low-lying wet meadows. In 2017, we decided to invest in a new round baler. Back then, we were looking for a reliable high-output machine, which is why we came to PÖTTInger. So we have now focused on a short chopped length with 32 knives, which only PÖTTInger has been able to offer us so far. We liked the first PÖTTInger baler so much, both the technology and the service, that we bought more PÖTTInger machines. Shortly afterwards, we took delivery of a baler and wrapper combination. And yes, we now have 3 balers. We started with the solo baler, the Impress 185V Pro. Then came the Impress 185VC Pro, which is the baler wrapper combination, and now the Impress 3190VC Pro, our newest machine, which we are now running for the 3rd season. And even after more than 44,000 bales, the solo baler is still a very much appreciated and hard-working machine for me. Because we now have a lot of peak periods, we don't need a baler for special applications. Instead, all of the balers have to be able to do everything. That is because we need to be flexible when it comes to hay, silage, straw, and all harvested crops, and we wanted to get more out of it for our customers. That means large bales with short chopped straw, which it can do, as well as 180 to 185 straw bales, where we can also use the baler wrapper combination. We have baled many bales, even in the wet fields, in the clamp, in late autumn, and that has also worked beautifully with the belt baler. I see big advantages in this system. The knife bank, the lift-up rotor, and the fact that the knives are on top, which makes it easy to change knives and reverse them, are all major advantages. We have great flexibility in terms of switching knife groups, so that we can carry out any customer's requirements between 1 and 32 knives. We have been able to further improve the quality of the silage by equipping the new baler with film and film binding, which produces an even higher bale density and even fewer losses in the edge area and throughout the bale. The wide floating pickup was very important to us in our hilly terrain with short meadows and has turned out to be a great advantage. The level of service and communication provided by PÖTTInger has always been very good. They asked us if we would like to have test components installed and pre-series models so we could give feedback. Of course, we were keen to take part. It worked, and it still works today. We have the slope sensor installed so that we can adjust the transfer speed separately to the speed on the level and can always drive at maximum output and get reliable transfers. And there are also many electronic features that make it easier for the driver to maintain a high level of performance throughout the day. Our overall impression of the balers in terms of strength and performance is very good. We can use them to bale many bales per hour, and we are very satisfied. We were impressed by the high flexibility and output of the balers. What's more, PÖTTInger provides excellent service, and I am really excited to see what the future holds for the baler sector.
More success with PÖTTInger.